Nice! Please watch comedy concert ni Miss Ai de Rosales sa Zirco Timog, August 2 with special guest Eric Santos, Richard Poon. August 30th, Palumpon Institute of Technology in Palumpon, Leyte. Oh guys, eto, payabangan na.
Ano gagawin natin?
Payabangan na.
Go.
Eto, anong masasabi nyo dito sa susunod ang pupo-perform?
Ikaw muna.
Ako muna.
Ikaw naka-shades eh.
Ha?
Something in common, bro.
Something in common.
Okay. Sige, ikaw muna. Go.
O basta sa akin, sensational. Sensational.
Sensational. Ako, bro,
Eto na.
how can I say, unbelievable, bro.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. Tama kayo pareho. Sensational, unbelievable.
Yes.
Ano kaya sa akin?
Sa'yo 3 words, ha? 3 words.
Oh, no.
Sa'yo 3 words.
Pwede ba 4
Siyempre.
words?
O 4 words.
First love ko yan. Okay.
Oh.
Rache, her newest live DVD album. She sings one of the special tracks from it, Miss Rachel and Go! Ladies and gentlemen, Rachel and Go! Wow, Rach?
Thank you very
Come
much.
join me here. Grabe. Wow, that was a treat.
Thank you.
Hindi ko masisisi si Ian kung sinasabi niyang first love ka niya.
Talaga?
Ano yan, Mom? All smiles ka dyan, bro.
Oh, hi.
Waiting
Yes.
for anything else?
Hindi
Tell
yan
us
ako.
about this new thing that you have for everyone. It's a DVD.
Yes, mga kaibigan, yung kinanta ko po kanina, that's my second single, Crying. Kasama po yan sa aking latest album, Rachel and Rocks Live. And of course, ngayon po, mga kaibigan, available na po ang Rachel and Rocks Live DVD. Sana po supportahan niyo po.
Tour mo, di ba?
Yes, binarter ko po ito. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanood. And on August 14, hihingal ako.
Galing mo kasi, grabe.
Nasa Dubai po ako. And I would like like to thank my sponsors, Catch This Time, Mixed Gems Fine Jewelry, Bello, VJ Floresca. Maraming salamat po. There, ASAP.
Ayan, please don't forget again a copy
Christian.
of Rachel and Rock's
Yes!
Live.
DVD!
Di lang CD, it's a DVD.
Anong masasabi
Grabe,
mo?
so ano masabi mo, Ian, sa bagong venture ni Shin?
Napakagaling mo. Wala na akong masabi. Andyan na lahat.
Would you wanna ask her why? She sounded so inspired kanina and she looks so
Talaga?
different today. Why?
Talaga? I
Why,
think it's
shit?
my hair. It's my short hair.
Hair, yan. Bagay ang new look.
Parang
mo
ikaw,
yan,
new look ka rin, ah. Sabay ba kayo na
Pantay na
new
nga
look?
kami ng hair.
Hello guys! Ito ang dating member ng Spando Ballet, drummer na si John Keeble and Tony Hadley. They'll be here on ASAP Live on August 10.
Yeah.
Pero before that, may patikin muna tayo ng hits nila sa Rated PG with Top Susara and Luke Mijares. Here's Mr. Gary V!